You are standing on a planet that is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour. That planet is orbiting a star at 67,000 miles per hour. That star is hurtling through a galaxy at 500,000 miles per hour. And that galaxy? It's being dragged through the universe at 1.3 million miles per hour. So here's the question. Why don't you feel any of it? Your brain evolved to detect change, not constant motion. If you're moving at a steady speed, your inner ear, your muscles, your skin, they all register nothing. Just like you don't feel the Earth spinning right now, you only feel acceleration. Stops, starts, turns. That's why, when you're on an airplane at cruising altitude, it feels like you're sitting still. You are moving through the cosmos faster than any bullet. But your body was built for survival on the ground, not cosmic awareness. So the next time you feel stuck, remember, you are never standing still. You are racing through the universe at over 1 million miles per hour, and you didn't even notice.